Today we will discuss MCQs from 276 to 300, and that MCQs will be very helpful for the preparation of your test. MCQs number 276. In which year was the Urdu Defense Association established? The answer is 1900. MCQs number 277. Who was the first Chief Minister of Punjab after independence? The answer is Iftikhar Hussain. MCQs number 278. When was the 23rd Constitutional Amendment passed? The answer is 2017. MCQs number 279. Which article of the 1973 Constitution deals with the establishment of high courts? The answer is Article 192. MCQs number 280. What is the constitutional term of the National Assembly? The answer is 5 years. MCQs number 281. In which year was the Federal Shariat Appeal Bench established? The answer is 1980. MCQs number 282. Which Pakistani city is known as the City of Lights and Brides of Cities? The answer is Karachi. MCQs number 283. What is the name of Pakistan's largest gas field? The answer is Sui gas field. MCQs number 284. In which year did Pakistan join the Shanghai Cooperation Organization? The answer is 2017. MCQs number 285. Which river flows through the Attock region? The answer is Indus River. MCQs number 286. Who was the first female governor of the State Bank of Pakistan? The answer is Dr. Shamshad Akhtar. MCQs number 287. In which year was the National Industrial Policy first introduced? The answer is 1956. MCQs number 288. Which article of the Constitution deals with the Auditor General of Pakistan? The answer is Article 168. MCQs number 289. What is the name of Pakistan's first microfinance bank? The answer is Khushhali Bank. MCQs number 290. In which year was the Gwadar Port Authority established? The answer is 2002. MCQs number 291. Which Pakistani city is known as the City of Rivers? The answer is Uch Sharif. MCQs number 292. What is the total number of judges in the Supreme Court of Pakistan, including Chief Justice? The answer is 17 judges. MCQs number 293. In which year was the National Judicial Policy introduced? The answer is 2009. MCQs number 294. Which mountain peak is known as the Killer Mountain? The answer is Nanga Parbat. MCQs number 295. What is the name of largest fertilizer plant in Pakistan? The answer is Fauji Fertilizer Plant. MCQs number 296. In which year was the 16th Constitutional Amendment passed? The answer is 2015. MCQs number 297. Which article of the Constitution deals with the freedom of speech? The answer is Article 19. MCQs number 298. What is the largest export sector of Pakistan? The answer is textile industry. MCQs number 299. In which year was the Pakistan Environmental Protection Act enacted? The answer is 1997. MCQs number 300. Last but not the least. Which plateau is located between the Indus and Jhelum rivers? The answer is Pothohar Plateau. In that video we have discussed MCQs from 276 to 300. I hope that MCQs will be helpful for your preparation. In the next coming video we will discuss MCQs from 301 to 325. Thanks for watching.